another GCSS-Army video, and today we're on part 9 of our AIT My Workplace with turn-ins. Alright, so this is a pretty cool feature that they added I would say about a year ago. You're able to turn in all the excess lines on your mat sit. Now, you have to be careful because if you have a ZRL or open document number of a piece of equipment that needs to be turned in, or not equipment, but material that needs to be turned in, then you're not going to get credit for it because you're actually going to turn it in as an excess. However, if you are trying to take material from one S-lope to another, let's say, from Alpha battery to Bravo battery, or if you got two S-lopes in your shop, you're able to actually transfer those from one to another. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So first off, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, hit the bell, be notified every time a new video is posted. So let's get started. Let's get into my workplace. All right, so once we're in here, like I said, you can go to the turn-ins tab, okay? So if you know the material or you know the serial number or batch, you can put it in there, all right? But we're just going to search it open and search everything. So this is going to pull everything that's on your mat sit, okay? So this is why it's critical that your inventories are done properly, all right? Make sure you're consuming your stuff. Watch the previous videos. I'll show you how to do the fast issue and so forth, and look at your stock listing. For example, these screw cap hex, right? We're going to turn these in. We're going to turn this in as an excess PRR. So to do that, so all you're going to do is you're going to find what you need. Actually, you know what? Let me go back and do a different S-lope real fast. Use this one. Turn in, search, and then once it loads, it's going to pull everything that's currently on the mat sit. All right, so stock quantity. All right, so you see they got a lot of stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn something in. I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so like I said, this pulls everything from your mat sit material, your supercision. If there is a different NSN for this, all you gotta do is click this. Well, yeah, it's gonna allow you to choose which NSN. Okay, so your stock quantity, restricted quantity, unit, your batch code, bin location, your MRP type. All right, so we're gonna turn in these lamps. So we're gonna do an excess PRR. All we're gonna do is create. Like I said, if you have an open document number, do not do this because you are not going to get credit for this. All right, so we're going to put a quantity of 9. So this right here, receiving S-lope, so this defaults to your SSA. All right, and then the batch, you're able to change the batch. So all the batch codes are here for you, whether it be serviceable or Fox or hotel, you're able to do that. So it's going to be serviceable, and then of course your fun code. All right, so Echo 1. All you can do is create. It's creating the document for us. All right, purchase requisition. Now go to PR. So now once you're here, okay, you're able to actually change a few things. So if you do need to change the turn-in quantity, you're able to do that. You can also change the batch, change the material, change the receiving S-lope. So I'm actually going to change this to another S-lope. Like I said, this is an easy way for you to transfer parts from one S-lope to another. All right, 0 Juliet X-ray 9. You'll hit confirm. Whoa. All right, I don't know why it's not working. But we'll just do it to the SSA. But All right, so we're going to confirm. All right, now from here, you can post. So if you were to post this, right, it's going to let's do it. Post TurnIn, yes. Now when you're posting it, you're going to come to another screen right here. Boom, boom, boom. And then PO created, outbound delivery created, goods issue posted with this. That's your movement and stuff. So you can actually download your MROs right from here, tag your parts, and turn them in. It's extremely fast. You don't have to go through VL02 November to actually do your MROs. So like I said, this is just for your excess stock, stuff to get rid of, all right? So keep that in mind. And if it downloads, open, all right. Let me share my screen with you real fast so I can show you the MROs. There you go. And it's going to give you both sets. Oh, it's going to freeze. It's going to give you both sets of your MROs, all right? So it's going to give you your document number here, the quantity, all right, the batch code, everything. All the stuff's going to be right here for you on the MRO. Like I said, you just take this, tag your part, and then you're good to go. And it's also going to tell you who processed this MRO. So I hope this video was helpful. Like I said, make sure you watch the previous videos on this series. And as always, go Ordnance.